Ransomware is a specific type of malware that targets victims' valuable files and documents. It uses encryption to lock files and prevent the victim from accessing them. As the name suggests, ransomware operators will then demand a ransom, normally in the form of cryptocurrency, for files to be decrypted and released back to the owner. Many ransomware variants also employ a tactic known as double extortion, in which the threat actor S behind the malware also exfiltrates the victim's data before encryption. The threat actor S will then threaten to leak this stolen data that the ransom is not paid. This tactic is used to ensure that organizations with a robust backup process are incentivized to pay the ransom instead of simply restoring files on their own. A typical ransomware attack includes various kill chain tactics, ranging all the way from reconnaissance to impact. Most threat actors will research potential targets to gather as much relevant information as possible about the organization and its network. This is often to identify the easiest targets. Once a target has been selected, the attacker can then decide how to best distribute the ransomware. Here are some important ransomware statistics. Approximately 37% of global organizations said they were the victim of some form of ransomware attack in 2021, according to the International Data Corporation's IDC 2021 ransomware study. Ransomware is part of 10% of all breaches. It doubled in frequency in 2021, according to Verizon's 2021 Data Breach Investigations report. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center reported 2,080 for ransomware complaints from January to July 31, 2021. This represents a 62% year-over-year increase. Despite the statistics just listed above, 90% of organizations think they are at least moderately prepared for a ransomware attack, according to Fortinet's 2021 ransomware survey. Common infection methods. Ransomware can be distributed in many ways, with phishing emails being one of the most popular methods. The threat actor must find an attack vector to gain access to an endpoint. Once access has been gained, the ransomware will crawl the system and search for important files and folders to encrypt, leaving them illegible to the owners. A ransom is then demanded to unlock the files. This type of attack can spread across a whole network, meaning that an entire organization's files could become inaccessible. While ransomware has the ability to make threat actors huge amounts of money, it also has the ability to completely destroy an organization from the damage done both physically and reputationally. There are many different infection methods that attackers can exploit. The following steps will cover the most commonly used methods, including emails, public-facing services, droppers, loaders, software vulnerabilities,